Hello everyone, this is Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of our video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. We would really appreciate your support. Today we would like to show you how to edge a sleeve bottom with a false cuff. This technique is suitable for safari dresses, shirts, and for linen garments. Be very attentive. We are going to make a mock-up of cotton. You need to make 2 sleeves. The width of the cuff will be 3.5 centimeters. So we've already marked 3.5 centimeters for the overcast. Next, we need to measure and mark 7 centimeters up from the bottom. Next, we need to fold the bottom up to this line and press it. Do not forget to mark the wrong side. Be very attentive. As I've said, such sleeves are suitable for shirts and safari dresses. Fold the bottom one more time, as if you're making a double overcast. Then press it. Let's go to the sewing machine. Next, we need to stitch the underarm seam. Unfold the cuff and start stitching. The width of the seam is 1 centimeter. Nataly is stitching the underarm seam. Do not forget to make back stitches in the beginning and the end of the seam. This is just a mock-up, so we're not going to edge the seam with an overlocker. We'll iron it right away. Iron the seam gently, and then press it to one of the sides. Be very attentive, please. Do not change the cuff. Be especially attentive when ironing the details from the right side. Fold and press the cuff once again. I remind you that you need to fold the bottom twice. The width of the cuff is 3.5 centimeters. Press the bottom as if you're making a double overcast. You'll see how it will turn into a false cuff. Have a look at the right side. And the wrong side. This is a simple double overcast. Next, we need to make a seam that will make it look like a cuff. Pin the cuff, or take it if you want to, and then start stitching. Nataly is making 5mm wide seam, and you can make it as wide as you want. Make it 7mm wide, or even 1 centimeter wide. It's all up to you. Be very careful. The seam must be even and parallel to the fold. It should be neat. I'm sure you will like this simple and useful technique. It is also suitable for children's clothing and men's shirts.
И для мужских сорочек, и для детской одежды. Эта строчка
Be very careful, this is a decorative seam. Control the upper and the lower thread tension.
правильно натянута и верхняя. Небольшая запретная.
Make a tiny back stitch in the end.
И будем заутюживать.
Have a close look at the wrong side.
Обратите внимание, как оно
Nataly has fixed the lower edge with this seam,
вот одним швом
and she made the cuff at the same time.
закрепили нижний срез. И одновременно сделали манжет.
This is a very useful technique.
С изнаночной стороны.
Press the detail from the wrong side in order not to make pleats on the right side.
Делимся с вами.
We're glad to share our experience and knowledge with you.
Вот как делать.
We always show you the techniques which we use ourselves.
Чистая обработка и изнутри.
The sleeve is clean on the wrong side and on the right side.
Окончательная утюжка снаружи.
Natalie is ironing the detail for the last time.
При желании
If you wish, you can make a decorative seam on the bottom. The same as on the top of the cuff. It's all up to you.
так и снизу. Это уже так, как
The technique is very simple, but the sleeve looks very interesting. We were glad to show you this technique for making a false cuff.
интересный рукавчик получается. Очень интересно.
Have a look at the result.
Очень простая.
We hope that you will find this video useful.
Вам поможет. Мы были рады показать
That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We're Ira and Natalie.
манжеты.
Buy our courses, subscribe to this channel, write comments, share the videos, press a like and the bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.